Good morning, student. Today we start with a new lecture of continuous series of electrochemistry. So, all of you start. Now I start also. First, today's topic is electrical resistance. These are the some terms related with the electrochemistry chapter. Electrical resistance, the property of it is a property of or the property of material by which there opposes flow of electricity through its cross section area is known as electrical resistance. All of you already studied in class 10 in physics resistance. All of you familiar that. Once again, start with the electrical resistance. Electrical resistance is a material property because it depends upon the material, nature of the material. And also resistance of a conductor depends upon two factors. Number one, length. Number two, cross section area. Resistance, experimentally it is found that resistance is directly proportional to length. And resistance is inversely proportional to cross section area. Now combining these two are L by A. Understand? To replace proportional mark, here use a constant rho, L by A. What is rho? Rho is the resistivity. Resistivity is a material constant. And the resistivity of silver is lowest among all the known metal. Therefore, silver is a good conductive material. Understand? Now, rho is equal to RA by L. And the unit of R is ohm, area meter square, मीटर कट जाएगा, ओम मीटर is the unit of resistivity. Understand? So resistivity is equal to RA by L. Understand? Next topic. Number two, conductance. Conductance are represented by capital G. Conductance is the reciprocal of resistance. Resistance, that means G is equal to 1 by R. Understand? And G is equal to the unit of G, units of G, ohm inverse or Mho or Siemens. S. This is the unit of G. So understand that resistance, resistivity and conductance. Then I am talking about the specific conductivity. Another terms is specific conductivity. Specific conductivity or simply conductivity. It is represented by kappa, K in italics, kappa. It is K is equal to 1 by rho, or that means specific conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. A specific conductivity or conductivity is the reciprocal of resistivity. Therefore, K is equal to rho is equal to RA by L. So K is equal to 1 by R into L by A. Understand? Then K is equal to G into G star. G star is the cell constant. is the G star or G star. G is the conductance, so conductivity is equal to conductance into cell constant, and the unit is Siemens centimeter inverse or Siemens meter inverse. So these are the terms related with the specific conductivity. Hoping that all of you understand. Now we discuss about the some question based on this topic. Understand? Student, it is important numerical exercise 3.9 of NCERT. The question is the resistance of conductivity of a cell containing 0.001 m KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is this. This is the resistance of the conductivity cell. What is the cell constant if the conductivity of 0.01 m KCl solution at 298 Kelvin is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Siemens centimeter inverse. So in this question, two things are given. Number one, conductivity. This is 0.146 into 10 to the power minus 3 Siemens centimeter inverse is given. Siemens centimeter inverse is given, and resistance is also given, which is 1500 ohm. Consolidation is already given, and cell constant, this is the G star or L by E is equal to what? Previously this formula was explained. Formula K is equal to 1 by R into L by A, or K is equal to 1 by R into, this is the cell constant G star. Therefore, G star is equal to K into R. K is given. K is 0.146 into the minus 3 into 1500. After calculating, the value of G star will be 0.219 centimeter inverse. This is the answer of this question. So all of you understand. Now equivalent conductivity. The conductivity produced by ions of 1 gram equivalent equivalent 1 gram equivalent of an electrolyte in V centimeter cube of solution is known as equivalent conductivity. Lambda EQ is equal to K into V. Actually, how would you find out the equivalent conductivity? You take a cell of height 1 centimeter, and the separation also 1 centimeter, and it is added with the positive and negative terminals, and then here we kept a V centimeter cube of solution, and in this we added, suppose that 1 gram equivalent of NaCl. This is 1 gram equivalent is the amount of NaCl. So the ions of Na plus and Cl minus move in this and produce the conductivity. That is said to be the equivalent conductivity. So lambda EQ is equal to K into V. And all of you know that normality is equal to number of gram equivalents by volume by 1000 in ml or centimeter cube. Understand? So lambda EQ is equal to conductivity into 1000 by m. This is also a formula of lambda EQ, and the unit is Siemens centimeter square gram equivalent inverse. This is the unit of lambda EQ.